Good morning. We have Franco Messori here from Infovista. Hello, Franco.
Hello, hello.
And I have a few questions to ask you, if I may.
Please.
So can you tell us how is customer experience changing in the industry and how is Infovista addressing those changes?
Very good question. The last 5 years, we have seen a big change in the way in which customer is perceiving the telecom services, mainly because the economy model has changed. I mean, what happened in the last 3 years internationally has forced everybody to see the economy a different way. Now, customers are looking service provider providing not just connectivity at the best level, but fundamentally providing a flexible model that match the different requirements that the specific economic industry need on a specific time. So flexibility and in terms of quality, performances, price is a major requirement that our industry has for the telecom industry. Infovista is spending a lot of time and effort to create a platform that helps the customer, in particular the service provider, to ensure that they deliver the flexibility, the price, the performance, the quality that the different business line within the different industry line require. So it's not just a matter to have a flat model, it's a matter to have a flexible model that changes over time, in real time, for all the different customers that the service provider is serving.
Thank you. And can you tell us how are AI and automation linked?
Yeah, that's another great question. Remember that in the way in which the technology is reshaping the telco industry, moving from physical to virtual and to virtual to cloud, the complexity of the network is such that without automation, it's almost impossible to manage this type of network. So it's not just a matter of cutting the operational costs, like somebody saying. Automation is a necessary tool to allow to moving from the current industry model in the telco to the real network as a service. Within this fundamentally a panorama, the intelligence is another necessary element because due to the complexity to take some of the real-time decision, it's not human possible. So we need to apply artificial intelligence in a smart way, let me put it that way, in such a way that we can drive the network changes, the service changes, and adaptation to the need that the industry has.
Thank you. And Franco, I have one last question, if I may. So since we are in Dubai today, I would like to ask you, what do you think are the specific challenges that the CSPs and the vendors are facing in the region?
That's another very good question. This region is quite unique in the world because they have developed everything in the last 40 years. You know, all the other countries have either situation which is developed since under a year or other country that just started now. This part of the world require three things, in my opinion. Number one, companies that are no longer just supplier, but fundamentally partner like Infovista is, in helping to really automate in an intelligent way all the different type of need that the telco service has to fundamentally deliver to the industry and to the private, to the consumer side. The second one, it's fundamental innovation. This is a place where the innovation is not an optional, it's something that are necessary. So the innovation is not only from the service provider point of view, innovation can from the industry, come from a company like our company, and definitely we are one of the most innovative company in the assurance, in the planning, in the testing tools. The third part is fundamental experimentation. Here there are a lot of experiments that are now fundamentally applied in the rest of the world. So innovation, experimentation are two different phases of a new business model, in my opinion, that this part of the world is requiring in telco and not only telco. And that is the reason why we as a company, we are very happy to be here. We have a stable organization in Dubai, exactly to help these innovative steps that the telco industry is doing here in Dubai.
Thank you so much for your insights, Franco.
Thank you. Thank you very much for your time.